Let's see this question. For the function f of x equal to x square into e power minus x, x square into e power minus x, the maximum value appears at x equal to what? So for this you are supposed to find out f dash of x and then equate it to 0 so that you will find out the stationary points. Now if you find out the f dash of x and equate it to 0, we got the stationary points as x equal to 0 or x equal to 2. These are the two stationary points. Now let's see whether at these points we can get maximum or minimum. For that reason you have to find out second derivative f double dash of x. Now the second derivative happens to be this big function. Okay. Now this entire expression is the second derivative, right? Now in this second derivative you substitute x equal to 0 first so that you will know what this point could be. Now when you substitute x equal to 0, we got a value of 2. So what does it mean? It is greater than 0. Now whenever we get second derivative as greater than 0, it means that at that particular point the function is going to have minimum value, which means that x equal to 1 the function is having minimum value, right? And what about the x equal to 2? At double derivative you substitute x equal to 2. Now if you substitute x equal to 2, the function value happens to be minus 2 by e square. E square is going to be a positive number, 2 is a positive number multiplied with minus. Therefore this entire number is less than 0. Now since we got a number less than 0, we can say that the function is having maximum value. Therefore at x equal to 2 the function has maximum value. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%. But all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.